I am not your personal calculator. I scan, I beep, and I judge. Stop waving that broccoli at me. I need a barcode, not a miracle. I move your snacks, not your emotional baggage. Insert the card properly. I am not a slot machine. I carry groceries, not your entire life story! You want a receipt? Then stop questioning the total. I roll straight unlike your shopping decisions. I roll straight unlike your shopping decisions!
Do not grab me last minute. Commit to the sugar.
Place it gently. I weigh produce, not drama. Scan the card first. I am not a mind reader. Ha!